Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, celebratory hands in the air emoji. Today we're checking out a seriously impressive productivity machine, the Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 5. Before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button and check the link in the description below to grab this laptop at the best price. Deals go quick, so don't miss out. Briefcase emoji, personal computer emoji, gear emoji, specs that mean business. 14 Full HD+ display, crisp, anti-glare, and ideal for productivity. Intel Core Ultra 5 125U processor, smarter, faster, and more efficient than even last year's i7 1355U. 32GB DDR5 RAM, flawless multitasking. Run Zoom, Excel, Chrome, with 20 tabs, and more without breaking a sweat. 1TB SSD, lightning fast storage and tons of space for all your work files. Backlit keyboard, fingerprint reader, and a 5MP webcam, perfect for work from anywhere life. Briefcase emoji, my experience so far. This is the kind of laptop that just gets out of your way and lets you work. The keyboard is classic ThinkPad, honestly, still one of the best in the game. Super tactile, comfortable for long typing sessions, and yes, it's backlit. The Full HD+ display with that taller 16:10 aspect ratio is super underrated. It gives you more vertical space for reading, editing documents, or coding. It's also anti-glare, which means less eye strain, even under office lights or sunlight. And let's talk performance. The Ultra 5 chip is surprisingly fast. I ran multiple virtual meetings, Outlook, heavy spreadsheets, and Adobe Acrobat, all smooth. No lags, no hiccups. Closed lock with key emoji, security and build. Being a ThinkPad, you've got that business-grade durability. The chassis is tough but lightweight, and you get essential security features like fingerprint reader, white checkmark emoji. TPM 2.0 chip, white checkmark emoji. Privacy shutter on the 5MP webcam, white checkmark emoji. It's designed to meet MIL STD810H standards, so it can handle real-world use and travel like a champ. Rocket emoji, battery and port selection. Battery life is solid, easily gets through a full workday. Plus, it charges super fast with USB-C. You've got a full suite of ports including Thunderbolt, HDMI, USB-A, and a microSD card slot, no dongles needed. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 5 is a powerhouse for business users, remote workers, and productivity junkies. It's fast, reliable, ultra-secure, and has that premium ThinkPad build quality we all know and love. So if you want a laptop that works as hard as you do, this is it. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and check the link below to see the latest deals. Let me know in the comments if you want me to compare this to the HP ProBook or Dell Latitude next. See you in the next one, waving hand emoji.